So I hear you're looking for a slim fit shirt that actually fits a slim fit. Or maybe you just heard of us before and want to know more about the brand. Well, here at Nimble Made, we got you covered. We have actual slim fit shirts that will fit you slim fit. Alright, now let's take a look inside. Here's the package as you would receive it. First impressions, nice, clean, simple, just how we like it. Opening it now, here's what you'll receive. Our most popular item, the white dress shirt, the Crescent. Let's put this to the side. Don't need these anymore. The Crescent, a simple white dress shirt that everybody should have in their closet. It's one of their best sellers and sells out time and time again. So clearly, people are loving this shirt. First thing I noticed when I received the shirt is the collar. It's a very crisp collar because it has reinforced lining to keep the collar stiff. It also comes with collar stays, which if you don't know, are small little metal pieces that go inside the collar that help keep the collar down. What's even better is these are made out of metal, compared to all the plastic ones that you will receive from other brands who don't really seem to care about the collar stays. At Nimble Made, we make sure every detail is thought out properly to ensure the customer receives a high quality product. With that being said, if you're washing these shirts in the washer or getting them sent to get dry cleaned, I would make sure to remove these from the collar. You wouldn't want these to tumble around in your washer and possibly mess it up or lose them at the dry cleaning. However, if you do lose one or both of these, you can check our website as we sell these separately from the shirts. Let's talk about the details now. The craftsmanship on this shirt is truly top notch. All the stitching is incredibly precise, and you can see the attention to detail in every seam. This shirt feels like a luxurious item. The collar is reinforced but still flexible, so it maintains its shape without being too stiff. The cuffs also have the same reinforced lining, so they maintain their shape. I personally like the Crescent because it's a higher thread count and made of 100% cotton fabric. This white dress shirt has a broadcloth weave. If you want to read more about this type of fabric pattern, you can check the article linked in the description below. Most of Nimble Made's dress shirts are made of 100% cotton, which is cool because it's durable and natural. It feels soft to the touch, it's very comfortable and breathable, and I know it's going to hold up well over time. I'm not the biggest fan of other dress shirts that are made from polyester or some type of material that's stretchy because it kind of feels plasticky and this just doesn't feel good. Now, most dress shirts are sized based off of your neck measurement and your sleeve length. Nimble Made sizes their shirts based off of your height and your weight. They find this to be a way better method to finding your size for an actual slim fit. Using your height and your weight takes into your overall proportions instead of just using your neck and your sleeve length to find your shirt size. At Nimble Made, we offer a size calculator, which takes your height and your weight to find the perfect size for you. Actually, when I first began to work with Nimble Made, I was 5'9" and weighed around 190 pounds, and I could not fit their biggest size. But going to the gym often, eating healthier, and just taking care of my body, I now weigh 170 pounds and I can fit into the N4 perfectly. I might even be able to fit into the N3, but I might be a little too snug for my liking. But the N4 is perfect. So this calculator was very helpful because I don't know my neck measurement and I don't know my sleeve length. And every time I bought a medium at other stores, the shirt didn't fit me properly. At least not the way I wanted it to. And I know I can always just measure my neck and my sleeve length, but it was very annoying trying to find someone to help me or just doing it on myself because it was just never too accurate. So using the size calculator was very easy because I just had to put in my height and my weight and it told me the size that I need for my shirt. Now let's change and compare the fit. Here's me in another brand shirt. As you can see, it's a bit loose around the sleeves, chest, with extra fabric around the waist and doesn't quite have that tailored look that I'm going for. And here's the Nimble Made shirt. The difference is clear. I get why they call it an actually slim fit. It's much more streamlined and fits closer to the body without being too tight. The cut enhances my silhouette and ensures a more polished appearance. One of the things I noticed right away was the higher armholes. They feel slightly closer to the armpit, which gives me more mobility and drastically reduces the baggy sleeve look. I also like how it fits across the chest, back, waist, and neck. It's definitely fitted, so I'm glad I don't have to get it further tailored and altered. It's definitely a slim look. If you want some more room, you can always exchange to the next size up. Unlike other brands, the difference between sizes is pretty small. You can expect around half an inch to 1 inch increase across measurements if you want to size up. They've also told me many customers wear two different sizes. One size that's very slim fit, and another size, one size up, for a more roomy, comfortable look. Beyond the fit, the shirt is really nice and comfortable. The 100% cotton is breathable, which is great for warmer weather. You can wear these shirts untucked or tucked for a casual or business casual look. It's great for the office or just hanging around with your friends on the weekends. If you like what you see so far and you're a little bit more interested in the brand itself, here's how the brand got started. Tanya Zhang and Wesley Kang started Nimble Made in New York City in 2018. Wesley was struggling to find a true slim fit shirt as a shorter and slimmer guy. He was 5'5" and 125 pounds, working in finance. Since he had to wear a dress shirt every day to work, Tanya and Wesley decided to start Nimble Made and created the first size, the N1, based on Wesley's body's measurements. From there, they left their jobs to work on Nimble Made full-time, expanding to 6 sizes and over 30+ styles online. They also recently launched short-sleeve button-up shirts. So if everything still sounds good to you and you made it to the end of the video, know that you're supporting a small business with passion for their fit and products. I hope you found this video very helpful and insightful. And if you've been interested in these Nimble Made dress shirts, I hope you give them a chance now. We offer free exchanges and returns within 30 days, and I hear customer service is very helpful. So head over to our website, use the size calculator to find the perfect size for you, and give these dress shirts a try. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates and reviews. See you next time. Shop these shirts and accessories with the link in the description down below.